In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Google Photos recap. If you're someone who loves reminiscing about the moments captured throughout the year, Google Photos Recap is a fantastic way to do just that. Google Photos automatically creates a year in review video and a collection of memories, which is a lovely way to reflect on your past year. You won't need to manually create this, it appears automatically, almost like a little gift from Google to you. Let's dive into how you can access this delightful feature. First, let's talk about the primary method to find your Google Photos recap. You're going to want to open the Google Photos app on your mobile device, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. Once you've opened the app, tap on the Photos tab located at the bottom of your screen. As you scroll through, keep an eye on the top of your screen for the Memories carousel. This is where you'll discover your recap or year in review. If you spot it there, simply tap it to open and enjoy watching your recap video. It's usually one of the first things you'll see in the Memories or Featured Memories section, so it should be pretty easy to find. Another way to access your recap is by keeping an eye out for notifications. If you have notifications enabled for Google Photos, you'll receive an alert when your recap is ready. The notification will say something like, "Your recap is ready." By tapping on this alert, it will take you directly to your recap video, offering a seamless way to jump right into those cherished moments. If you're still having trouble finding your recap, there's another place you can check. Head over to the Collections tab within the Google Photos app, then scroll down to the month of December. During this time, Google often pins the recap or year in review video here, making it easy to locate during and after the release period. However, there are a few reasons why you might not see your recap. If you haven't backed up enough photos, if Face Groups is turned off, or if your app is outdated, this could affect the appearance of your recap. Similarly, if you haven't used Google Photos much this year, or if Google hasn't rolled it out to your account yet, you might not see it. A few important notes to keep in mind. You cannot manually generate the recap. It typically appears late in the year, around December to early January, and it's only available on the mobile app, not on the desktop version. I hope this guide helps you find and enjoy your Google Photos recap, allowing you to relive those wonderful moments from the past year. Thanks for watching and happy reminiscing.